Hello, and welcome to QuoteMyWords.com. To begin, you will need to go to the Register and Login tab. Once you're on the Register and Login tab, you put your username, your first name, last name, a nickname if you choose, an email address so that we can contact you and you can receive updates, and a website if you have it. Also, please upload an avatar, which is just a profile pic, and make sure that your image is large enough for us to use. You can add your biographical information if you want to. If not, that's perfectly fine. You will need to add a password, repeat the password, and then go through the security check, which is right here. You can check this here if you want us to send different updates to your email address. Okay? And once that's done, you will just hit the register button. After you have registered, you will go to the Submit Work tab. Once you go to the Submit Work tab, you will need to complete the Submit Work section by adding your name. And your name here could either be your first and last name or the name that you would like to be referred to on the website. Again, add your email address, and then you need to post the title of your work. And then this is a very important part here where it says Post Category. Just hit the drop down arrow, and these are your categories here. You have your blog excerpts, your Christian/inspirational, novel excerpts, poetry/spoken word, and short stories. Whichever you see fit, pick what you would like. Also, once I review them, I might add some other categories. So you virtually might be in more than one category, which is perfectly fine. After you select your category, you post your content here, and then add an image. If you do not add an image, we will add an image for you if you would like. If not, then you will just have the default image in the background. And then your last step here is to go through security. You'll type in whatever you see here where it says type to text and then submit post. Once you have submitted post, up here it will say your post was successfully submitted and you'll receive an email. You might receive the email in your spam. If so, just check that and then mark it as non-spam. Once that is done, you can go to the two places, to home page. In the very bottom, you should see that you are under the most recent post, which will be listed right here. If you do not see yourself, that means that somebody else has posted after you and they have taken that spot. However, you are listed in our Featured Authors tab. So you just go under Featured Authors, and you will see all of our authors are listed here under Quote My Word Authors. And you will find your profile there. Where it says Pick of the Month, every month I will pick a author, and we will highlight them right here in this section where it says Pick of the Month. Just a little bit more about the site. If you go back to the home page and say you're interested in just looking at one author's work, you'll just type that into the search box if you do not feel like going to find them in the featured authors. Search box here, just typing in a title. And you hit search. And it brings up anything related to that topic. And so what I was looking for was In That Moment by A-Flow. And now I just click on the box that has her post within it. And then she'll come up. And you'll be able to see what she posted. So for all my authors, if you go to Featured Authors, and you click on your name, your whole profile will come up. Okay? You have your visits here, your comments here, the date that you posted it, who it was posted by, and the category. And then you'll just click on that title, and your post will come up. And when you scroll down, you'll see your post, and then keep scrolling a little bit more, and you'll have your comments. And the last thing I want to mention, if you go under Elements, These are where the categories are, and you'll be able to find whichever author is posted in that category. For example, for the novel excerpt, you click on that. And just scroll down, and you'll be able to see all who have posted in this category. If you have any questions, scroll down and go to where it says Contact Us, and just send us an email. We'll be able to answer your questions. Thank you.